Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever felt like this? You follow your friends on Instagram, they follow you back, everything is going well, and then suddenly one day, boom, they unfollow you like they became a Hollywood celebrity overnight. So in today's video, we are going to expose those great personalities who are not following you back on Instagram. And no, you do not need to install any dangerous unfollower apps that ask for your password and act like FBI agents. All you need is a PC or laptop, Google Chrome, and a little bit of curiosity. And if you don't have a PC, don't worry. You can even use your college or office computer if permission is given to use it. So watch this video till the end, because today we are going to find out who the real ones are and who just came for the follow back. Let's start the video. So open your Instagram in Chrome browser. Go to your profile page. You will first have to open the followers list. Then scroll down until you reach to the end of followers list. It should be done because Gemini AI can only read the text which is loaded on the current tab. Then open a new tab. Search Instagram. And open your Instagram again. Go to your profile page. And now open your following list. And scroll down your following list until you reach to the end. Now click on the three dot in the right corner and open the Gemini in Chrome. Click on the plus icon and add the previously opened followers list tab. And select the 3.1 Pro model. Then type this, go through my Instagram followings and followers list, and write the username of those who are not following me back, and send it. Now, Gemini will go through your followers and following list from both the tabs, and will identify who is not following you back. As we can see, Gemini has provided the usernames of those who are not following me back. So now copy the usernames, because if you exit the Chrome browser, I think chat may not remain saved. Sometimes Gemini may do mistake, so individually copy each username and check if they are following you or not. To check individually if the person is following you or not, open the following list of person you want to check. If you can see your username first in the following list, then the person is following you. And if not, then the person is not following you back. Now I will just go to my followers list. And I'll remove this follower from my follower list. Now that person has become a person who don't follow me back. Now I'll open the following list of that person. As we can see now, my username is not listed at first in that person following list. Like this, we can identify people who don't follow us back. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.